the perimeter of parallelograms. Now remember that the perimeter is the sum of all sides. So remember, the perimeter is the sum of all sides. So it's the distance around the outside of a figure. So think about fencing in a backyard. We would need around the outside. So we're adding all of the sides together because sum means to add. Now, let's also remember that a parallelogram is this type of shape where the opposite sides are congruent and parallel. So the top and bottom, right and left, both parallel and equal. That also means that opposite angles are equal, just to refresh the properties. So now let's go ahead and find the perimeter of the parallelogram we see. We'll notice that the top length is 17 inches. The right side is 8 inches. Because of the properties of a parallelogram, if the top is 17, the bottom is 17. If the right side is 8, the left side is 8. So you can do this one of two ways. You can say 17 plus 8 plus 17 plus 8. You could also say 2 times 17 plus 2 times 8. Mathematically, they're equivalent. If we look at the top one, 17 plus 8, 25, plus 25, we get the perimeter to be 50 inches. And in the bottom, 2 times 17 is 34, 2 times 8 is 16. So again, the perimeter is 50 inches. So no matter which one you feel more comfortable with, you're going to get the same answer. So let's look at this one. We have the perimeter of the parallelogram is what we're trying to find, and now we have kind of a vertically splayed one. The top length is 6.2, so the bottom length is 6.2. The right length is 9.7, so the left length is 9.7. So the perimeter, 2 times 6.2 plus 2 times 9.7. All right, so 2 times 6.2 is 12.4. And 2 times 9.7 is 19.4. So the perimeter, add those together, is 31.8. And we are in centimeters, so we're in centimeters. You'll notice that we're just adding the length, so we are in simple units, so just centimeters, or in the first case, just inches. Because we say, if this is our fence, how many centimeters of fence do we need? Well, if I add them all together, I need 31.8 centimeters.